Most people get confused the first time they try to withdraw money from KashKick to PayPal. They expect instant payments, but then they see delays, pending balances, or verification steps they didn't expect. And that's where frustration starts. Here's the truth, no one tells you up front. KashKick PayPal withdrawals in 2026 are simple, but only if you understand how the system actually processes your earnings. In this video, you'll learn exactly how withdrawals work, what can delay your payment, and how to cash out smoothly without errors. Let's start with the basics. KashKick allows you to earn money through surveys, offers, and partner tasks. But before you can withdraw to PayPal, your earnings must reach the minimum payout threshold. In most cases, this is around $10, although it can vary slightly depending on your account and region. Now here's where it gets interesting. Reaching the minimum is not enough on its own. Your balance also needs to be fully cleared. That means any pending rewards from offers must be approved by the partner network before they become withdrawable. So if Alex completes a $5 offer today, that amount may still be pending for a few hours, or even a few days before it becomes available for cash out. Once your balance is ready, the withdrawal process is straightforward. You go to the cash out section inside KashKick, select PayPal as your payment method, and confirm your linked email address. This is very important, because your PayPal email must match or be correctly verified in your account. But here's the problem many users face. They rush through setup and end up with mismatched PayPal details or unverified accounts. This can cause delays or even failed payments. After submitting your request, KashKick processes the payment. In most cases, PayPal transfers are completed within a few business days. However, during high traffic periods or verification checks, it can take longer. Another important detail is account verification. If KashKick detects unusual activity or if your account is new, they may hold the withdrawal temporarily until they confirm your identity. This is normal and usually resolves after review. Now let's talk about common mistakes to avoid. Do not use VPNs while earning or withdrawing. Do not create multiple accounts. And always make sure your offers are completed exactly as instructed, because invalid activity can affect your withdrawable balance. So to summarize simply, KashKick PayPal withdrawals in 2026 require you to reach the minimum payout, wait for pending earnings to clear, verify your PayPal details, and then submit your request through the cash out system. If everything is correct, payments are usually smooth and reliable. If this helped you understand how withdrawals really work, leave a comment with your experience and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of earning apps and how they actually function behind the scenes.